Hey everybody, welcome back. I am back with the Dollar General deals for this week. I just wanted to go over the deals that I grabbed. There's some coupons involved. There's some rebates involved. There's some rebates that I thought would be involved that aren't involved. So I just wanted to go over all of that with you. I did do 2 transactions because I forgot the toilet paper. So I had to go back and grab the toilet paper. So that is a separate transaction. Yeah, so let's get started. So I'll do the toilet paper separate, just because I did it by itself. So this week it is on sale for $4. Normally it is $5. There is a 75% off coupon that you can load to your card, and that makes it $3.25. SavingStar also has a rebate for 50 cents. Checkout 51 did have one, but they go kind of quick, so that one's no longer available, but we did get the 50 cents for the SavingStar. So after all that is said and done, it's $2.75 for the 12 rolls of Scott. Now the rebate for SavingStar is 50 cents off for 6 rolls or larger. So as long as it's 6 rolls or more, you are good and you will get your 50 cents back. So $2.75 for 12 rolls of toilet paper I thought was pretty good. One of the other deals that I wanted to do was the spend 10 and you save 3 instantly. So there's a couple different brands involved here. The Purex, which is, everything is $3.95 obviously. The Purex we have 50 cent off coupons for. I ended up not grabbing that, but I did grab the Snuggle. I did the scent boosters, little packets. Those are $3.95 each. I had a coupon for $2 off 2. So I grabbed that. And then for some reason, instead of grabbing the Purex, I thought the All was involved. It ended up working towards my benefit in a different way, which I'll get to in a second. But for the All, I had a coupon of $1 off, and it was actually $4.50. So I got $1 off, and I thought it was included in this deal, but I still made it to get the $3 off. So that worked out. So you get $3 off instantly. If you've never, let me grab my receipt. If you've never seen how Dollar General does it, they break it down, whatever the discount is, they break it down by each product. So it doesn't come off just, like $3 off your receipt or $2 off your receipt. They break it apart into each item. So it's kind of hard to tell. You have to add up all the discounts to make sure that the money came off that was supposed to. So it's kind of time consuming, but it worked out. It actually worked out. The other deal I wanted to do, which I did, was this. When you spend $8, you save $3 instantly. There's a whole bunch of different products involved. I honestly my goal was to do the Gliss. They are $5 each. Plus we had the buy one, get one free coupons. Plus SavingStar has a rebate for Gliss. I don't know if it goes for Dollar Tree. For Dollar General, I believe it does, but there's a rebate for the Gliss. But my store didn't carry it. I actually checked when I went, because when I did the toilet paper, I did it at a different store. I actually checked there, and they didn't have it either. So, I don't know. I don't think they carry it. I don't think it was like a sold out situation. I just think my store doesn't carry it. So I opted to do the Dial. I did the large Dial body wash, which is right there. And I had the coupon for when you buy one, you get a foaming hand wash. Not this one. That's just the regular. But the foaming hand wash for free, or you get the bars of soap. So I did the foaming hand wash because SavingStar has a rebate. So I was getting the foaming hand wash to do the rebate. But I didn't really check it, and the rebate is not for Dollar General. So, I kind of screwed up there. But to my benefit, when I gave her the coupon for the buy one, get one free, she actually took off the max value, which is $3.49. So it pretty much came off that I got this free, and the soap, the foaming hand soap is on sale for $1.85. So technically I paid $1.85 and I got this free. I knew I had to get to $8 and I knew there was a rebate, and I also had a coupon for $1 off of 2. So I figured with them each being $1.83 and getting $1 off of 2, that'll help me get to the 8. Plus there's the rebate. So I ended up grabbing more of the soap. Come to find out the rebate wasn't for Dollar General, but I did get a good deal on soap. The same thing happened on the right guard. These were $3 each. I also had the buy 2 get 1 free coupon. Again, she took off, I think the max value said $3 on it, but she took off $3, so I got all 3 for $6. Then also SavingStar had a rebate for the right guard, but it wasn't this one. It's, what is it called? Like Best Dressed or something dressed. It's a completely different brand, and I should have scanned it in the store to make sure that it matched, but I just figured, I don't know, I just figured it would match and it didn't. So there's no rebate on this either. So I kind of screwed up there. There is, though, on SavingStar, there is a $20, you spend $20 and you get $5 back for spending, I just said that, for spending $20 on Henkel products. So the Persil that we were buying at CVS counted towards it. The All counted towards it. The Snuggle, there's, you know, there's, what else is there? There's a couple different Snuggle products. So I am actually now $2 away from getting that $5 rebate. So this kind of worked towards my benefit on working towards that $5 back when I get 20. I also had a $2 off 10. When you spend $10, you get $2 off. I had that loaded to my card, so that applied. So all in all, it broke it, like it broke it up. So you're really not going to see the $2 or $3. But all in all, my total before tax was $13.81. And as you can see here, hold on, where she took off the, right there, for the dial, she took off $3.49 instead of taking off the $1.85, which really, really helped. And then for the right guard, she took off $3. So there's really no way to like break it up. I mean, I guess we can go, I guess you could go through and subtract, what they subtracted. It does come out to $8. So I did get my $3 off for spending $8. I did get my $3 off for spending $10. And then $2 off of 10 is $8. I did add it up. So I did get my $8 off. Just a little tricky to try to figure out. I mean, you can go through and take off what they took off, So in other words, like one of the dial soaps would end up being like 18 cents. The other ones would end up being $1.18. And that's just by subtracting. That's just by subtracting what they, how they broke it apart here to take off the $8 in discounts. So $14.81 is not bad. $2.75 isn't bad. Yeah. That's, I mean, to me, that's pretty amazing. I wish it worked out the way I wanted it to, and I had the rebates, but that's my fault for not actually reading it and like matching it up. Also, I wanted to show you, they have these Renews It. Is it Renews It? No, the Refresh, or the Bahama and Company. They're charging $3 when we just got these at Dollar Tree for $1, and it's the same. I mean, I'm sure this is like a newer, maybe like a newer scent, but it's the same exact ones, the 2-pack, and then I don't even know what does that even look like? I can't even see what that looks like. Oh, a turtle? It looks like a turtle. Yeah, so they're charging $3, and we got them for $1. I actually just hauled those. That video will probably go up on Friday. So I hauled a bunch of these dual air fresheners, and then I also hauled the one that looks like the pineapple, I believe, right? Yeah, it looks like the pineapple. So yeah, so there we go. So 14 bucks. I also got my little survey code for 3 off of 15, and then also for this Saturday is the 5 off 25. So I might put some deals together possibly to do that. You can only use one or the other, so I can either use the $3 off from the survey, or I can use the $5 off. Like, you can't combine both. And the 5 off of 25 is just for one day, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out there on Saturday, so I may just wait and use the 3 off of 15 when the new sale starts. But yeah, I mean, I think I did pretty good. You know, $13, you know, plus tax, obviously, because in my state they tax the air that you breathe. So $14.69 for everything seems like a good deal to me, plus the rebate that I'm working towards. So yeah, everything worked out okay. I wish, like I said, I wish I had those other rebates, because that would have made a killer transaction if the other rebates worked towards it. But yeah, so Dollar General, I will see you next week, and we'll get some more deals together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and until the next video.